Imagine this: you've been diligently building your crypto portfolio, braving the ups and downs of the market. Finally, it's time to reap some rewards. You land a sweet deal, translating your crypto into some good old-fashioned cash. But then, a roadblock. A message pops up: daily withdrawal limit reached. Ugh. Frustration sets in. Now you're wondering, how much can I actually withdraw from Gemini? Fear not, crypto comrades. This video will be your one-stop shop for understanding Gemini's withdrawal limits and navigating them like a pro. So, how much can you pull out in a day? It depends. Gemini, like most crypto exchanges, has different limits depending on the withdrawal method you choose. Let's break it down. The ACH advantage. ACH, or Automated Clearinghouse, transfers are a popular choice for many users. They're generally free and move money directly between your bank account and Gemini. For ACH withdrawals, the good news is that Gemini offers a generous daily limit of $100,000. That's a hefty chunk of change you can transfer in a single day. Beyond ACH, bank transfers. If you're dealing with even larger sums, you might consider a bank transfer. This method typically involves a wire transfer and may incur fees. However, the benefit lies in potentially higher withdrawal limits. While specific details aren't publicly available, some sources suggest that Gemini's bank transfer withdrawal limits could exceed the $100,000 ACH limit. If you're planning a big withdrawal, contacting Gemini support directly would be your best bet to confirm their current bank transfer limits. A note on verification. It's important to remember that these limits can be affected by your account verification level. Gemini, like most financial institutions, requires users to verify their identity to comply with regulations. The more information you provide for verification, the higher your withdrawal limits may become. Beyond daily limits, monthly limits, and more. While daily limits are a crucial factor, keep in mind that Gemini may also have monthly withdrawal limits. These are typically higher than daily limits, allowing you to spread out larger withdrawals over time. Additionally, there might be other restrictions depending on your location or account type. Always refer to Gemini's official documentation or contact their support team for the most up-to-date information. Planning for a smooth withdrawal. Now that you know the withdrawal limits, here are some tips for a smooth withdrawal experience. Verify your account completely. This can significantly increase your limits and streamline the process. Plan ahead for large withdrawals. If you anticipate needing to withdraw a significant amount, consider contacting Gemini support beforehand to ensure everything is in order. Be aware of potential fees. While ACH transfers are typically free, other methods might incur fees. Factor these into your withdrawal plan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto trading.